Uh-oh. They're getting scared.
Huh?
Welcome back to Canada! Geese!
Yep, they are Canadian geese. So, yeah, I don't know what to say about that. Look at that one, he's still standing. He's like, what? Oh, and that one too. They're like, dude, that was crazy. We're just gonna eat now. Yeah.
All digging up their supply over the winter. They're like, shit nigga, spring is coming. We can eat again. Humans are gonna feed us again. We can eat all our look at this. They're going for the food, man. They're going for the food. Oh man, nigga, there's some, oh my god, but there's some food up here, nigga. I can't believe this little food. Food's so close, can't get to it. There's gotta be a way, nigga. Gotta be a way. Oh man, we're so close. Oh shit, man, I hear you got food, man. Nice landing, man. Hurry up, we gotta get over these rocks. Here we have Squirrely McSquirrel, convicting of eating humans' food. Now, he lives his life behind bars. What? You got food for all you cage squirrel? The nigga gotta eat. The nigga got. What a fast, huh? Wow. So much speed.
Where is he now?
Oh, hello. He's gonna run away from it. This is crazy. What are you doing, little guy? We don't got enough food for you. Oh, getting really close. It's kind of scaring me. That was so close.
Bubble
no
tea.
food for you today. Wow.
Totally.
He was totally. He's desensitized now. He's part of us now. Part of the human world.
Rock.
They're going back to the main crew. Who's eating now? What the hell is that? That's gross. Soya duck. Duck hanging upside down in Chinese restaurant. Glistening.
Oh. You can't get in there. It's just wrong. He'll go run away if you get in there.
Oh, they stick that. It's okay.